It's now 5:10 p.m. and I just finished doing my morning routine. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is going to be a very different video. I know I say this all the time, but I honestly try to bring you guys a different video every time I post. Today's video is going to be a more holiday morning routine. It's a holiday morning routine because I filmed this in my last Easter holiday and I have so much fun, and a vlog might be coming very soon. So every morning I will drink a cup of coffee, and I don't know, I've been drinking coffee since I was 12 or 13. I'm pretty coffee dependent, but what can you do when your whole family is like the same? We have a special machine at home and it's really convenient to use. It also has really good coffee. So on the holidays or weekends, I try to make myself an actual breakfast because I don't usually have breakfast that often. I know it's pretty bad for you, and apparently breakfast is like the most important meal of the day, but I just don't have time normally in school days. I just grab an apple and go, and maybe I just have like a very fast meal. So if you guys want a school morning routine, please comment down below, but yeah, it might be a shorter video than this one. So today the day that I was making this video, I was making some acai bowls, and the blender that I have is the Kenwood blender. It's not the best blender, but it does the job for now. I'm probably going to be changing it very soon. I'm pretty sure my mom agreed, and yeah. So when I'm making acai bowls, I'll usually be putting some frozen berries that's from this brand called Creative Gourmet. You don't really have to use this brand, but I use this brand because it's really easy to get. So you can get it in Woolworths, Coles, and Aldi, I'm pretty sure, and basically just any shops. So they come in many different fruits. Like they have cherries, they have raspberries, they have blueberries. They also have the acai packet, which I use when I'm making acai bowls, obviously. Yesterday when we went to Woolworths, we found that they have this new thing called chunked coconut. I'm probably going to be trying that out very soon, but it seemed really cool. And yeah, if you think that it's really annoying to have separate packets of stuff, they also have mixed berries, which is pretty convenient to use. So yeah, when I make my acai bowl, I'll usually add some milk or coconut water, but in this situation, I added both because when you add liquid in your acai bowl, it makes it like more runny and easier to blend. When you add milk, it usually makes it more smooth. When you add coconut water, it makes it more lighter. So I know people usually put honey on top of the acai bowl, but I've decided to blend it in together because that makes it more like sweet in the whole thing instead of just on top of one part. So I also decided to blend the whole banana inside the acai bowl because I don't know, I didn't have enough fruits that day to put it on top of it. If I only had bananas, it would look weird, and I added a little bit too much liquid. That's why I wanted it to be more thick with a whole banana inside. So as you can see here, it doesn't really blend that well. Usually it takes me like 5 minutes to blend something, but yes, it does the job for now. But I guess because I'm changing it soon, so I'm not gonna say much about it. So usually for acai bowls, I'll add some toppings onto it. I add some almonds, whatever that is. I add some chia seed and some muesli. So I'll just line them up around the bowl and basically just line them up next to each other. You can add coconut flakes, and you can add some like breadcrumbs, some oats, some strawberries and fruits. Those are the usual things I'll add, but you can basically add whatever you want because I've actually seen people adding like passion fruit, chocolate, and even like crackers. So yeah, you can just go with whatever you want. I went with all nuts that day, and I really liked how it looked like and how it came out. And yeah, this is what it looks like after it comes out, and I really liked it. So when I'm having breakfast, I'll watch some Netflix or YouTube. On Netflix, I'm currently watching Suits. My friend told me to watch Suits like 2 days ago, so I started watching Suits 2 days ago. I'm on season 2 right now. I know it's pretty crazy, but when I really like something, I go really quickly, especially when there's so many seasons. So yeah, for YouTube, I'll probably watch some gamings. I like watching gaming, but I never want to film it. So after eating, obviously, I'm going to be doing some washing. I do washing immediately because my mom's probably going to be like, oh, you're never making acai bowls again if I don't wash. So yeah, and it's good to clean up the mess in the kitchen anyway. Like, it's really annoying seeing it laying around. I don't like seeing dishes with laying around, although I'm pretty lazy. So yeah, after that I'll be doing some skincare and maybe some cosmetic routine. I will go brush my teeth. I usually brush my teeth before I eat breakfast. I don't know, it's probably like an Asian thing to do, but yeah. The face wash that I'm gonna be using is this Innisfree one. Innisfree is a Korean cosmetic brand, and the one that I'm using is the Forecast for Men. And I've been trying this out for the first time. I also used the Apple one, which is pretty good, and I liked it. So because I have really bad eczema, I use this steroids ointment, which helps with it. I'm pretty sure it's pretty bad for your skin, but because I have bad skin anyway, so that's why I use it. I don't think you're recommended to use it every day. So yeah, the Cetaphil is just for me to moisturize my face. You can see me looking like a sloth right here, but yes. So after that, I'll be getting prepared to do my workout, and then my dog asked me to send her outside for a pee or something. So yeah, she always looks back at me because she always thinks that I'm gonna go catch her or something. So yeah, so after that I'll be doing some workouts. There's a lot of sitting and like laying around involved in this workout because I was watching TV when I was doing this, and like when I'm watching TV, I guess, so like I can't multitask, maybe because I'm a man, I don't know. Yeah, but I work at home sometimes and it's pretty good. I just do some lifting, some sit-ups, some push-ups, and some leg lifting. And I know it's not the best with an 8 kilo dumbbell, but I feel like it's good enough for what I'm doing. So after that, I'll probably be taking my dog for a walk. Our walk ranges from 20 to 30 minutes. Now, I know in my last routine I said it usually takes an hour, but right now in a new neighborhood and her habit has changed. Like, she wants to go back every time after she takes a poo. So yeah, it's different now. I'll take a 20 to 30 minutes walk just to calm down my body from that workout that I did like before. That would be like a little of a cardio for me, but we have a cardio machine at home, so that's not my main cardio. So yes, after that I'll take a shower, and the shower gels that I use is from Bath and Body Works. It's aromatherapy edition. It's the Focus one, which has eucalyptus and tea in it. It smells really good, really Australian. And the shampoo that I use is from Essential. Essential is a Asian brand. I don't think you can buy it from Australia, but it smells really good. And yeah, I usually wash my face in the shower, but the day before that I didn't. That's why I washed it there. So this is what I came out, and usually see her after a walk because she usually be laying around or just sleeping somewhere after a walk because she gets really tired. So I drink a lot of water, and every day I drink like 7 of those. Those probably gets 700 milliliters water every single time, and I drink around 7 bottles of those every day. So that's pretty much for me. And I don't know, drinking water is pretty healthy. That's why I started drinking it. And by the time it's 4 or 3, I'll be starting getting hungry again. So I'll be making some fruits for myself. It's like afternoon tea. I'll get like fruit and tea and some water again. So that day I was eating some nectarine and some very exotic fruits. So the 2 fruits that it's not nectarine, I have no idea what they're called. So there's one that's I got from, so the other 2 I both got them from Cabramatta, which is a Vietnamese town in Sydney. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can get them in Asian shops, but I've just never seen them before. I always used to eat them, but I just don't really remember the names. So yeah, sorry about that, but they're pretty good, and I like plating my fruit really nicely because it's really relaxing for me, and it just makes me feel so good eating it, although they're gonna be gone very soon. So I usually get my tea in T2, and yeah, after that I'll probably be playing some games. I have an Xbox One, and I usually play Overwatch, and yeah, I just started playing Overwatch like on January because I don't know, I'm late to the train. So I usually end my morning by doing some editing, and yeah, that's basically it, because my whole morning, because after that will be my night routine, which if you want I can make another one. And yeah, I was editing my Japanese trailer back then. So yeah, I hope you. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. I know a lot of you guys say you guys want a house tour, but right now our house is a bit too messy for that, right? So I'm gonna be doing it maybe later. So yeah, I know that you guys have also been wanting some covers and stuff like that, but yeah, it's also coming. I've been like sick for the past 2 weeks. That's why I haven't been doing any covers, but I hope that you guys will be keen for them when it comes out. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe if you haven't, because it really means a lot to me. So bye everybody.